Hey there everybody, it's Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and in today's Beauty Newbie, I'm going to show you how to do a spin on a wet look. This is a little bit more wearable and super easy to achieve, so let's get started. Okay, to transform your hair from fluffy to slick, you definitely want to use some water. I concentrate most of the water on the sides and the top to help break up that part, and so that I can get my hair back in like a slicked back direction more easily. And I don't worry too much about this bottom section. You can do it a little bit at the root, but you don't need a lot of water towards the back since you're already going in that direction. All right, the second step is to add a bit of hold to the hair. So I'm going to use Bumble and Bumble gel, and you want to use a pretty good amount to get your hair nice and coated. So I'll start with about a nickel size amount and work that into my hair and see how much it is in my hair and if I need a little bit more. Usually I like to do it in layers almost. So starting from the front, because I know that's where I want it to be the most slicked looking, and just working it towards the back and just keep combing through. It kind of helps to work through all of the water and all the gel, just depositing it all through your hair. I got a whole nother nickel-sized amount, and now I'm gonna start a little bit more halfway towards the back and just keep working it through. So something else to consider is how strong of a hold your gel is. So a strong hold gel is going to give you a wet effect, and something that's medium hold like I'm using is just going to give you that perfectly slicked back look. Okay, so the next step is to blow dry the hair. I'm doing this to add additional control and also just to give my hair a softer look. If I was to let it air dry, it would just kind of look like this, and I want it to be even more like slicked back, just giving it a softer overall look. And this is the Dry Bar Reserve blow dryer, and I'm also using it with this attachment to help with the hot air blowing in the right direction to really give it that frizz-free finish. In addition to the blow dryer, I'm going to be using the Sephora collection and wet brush. As I blow dry, I'm going to be continuously pulling through my hair with this brush to give it some control and direction. All right, so let's get this started. Also using my hands to just kind of pull the hair up. It helps to dry the hair faster if you're using your hands to kind of lift the hair up as opposed to pulling it back with a brush. All right, and to finish off the look, I'm going to use Oribe's Superfine Strong Hairspray. This is great for two things. So you can slick out the side. So I'm going to use a little bit and a comb to really make these sides look very sleek and pulled tight to my head. So you can see it gives you that really nice finished effect. And you can even tuck it using your fingers and just finish guiding the hair. I'll do it on this side. And then the final part is just to do the top. And I really like to just use my fingers after I've sprayed through it to give it that cool girl look. You don't want something that's too combed through with a brush. You want something that has a little bit more like texture and style. All right, and that is it. I love a slicked back look personally. I think it's a great alternative to an updo that you would go out with. It's just a really nice, cool evening look. If you're gonna try this look, let us know in the comments below. And as always, like and subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.